Hello everyone, this is video about analyzed data. What is analyzed data? We are going to see about it in detail. I am Sivaranjani. What is data analysis? Data analysis is the process of collecting and examining statistical information to make informed decisions. This process transforms information such as customer reviews and feedback into information that managers can use to develop strategic and tactical business plans. This is data analysis. Making informed decisions requires information from a company's audience and customer base. A large coffee chain, for example, may need to understand winter sales pattern across several states to develop a new marketing plan for the coming year. Without customer data from past years, it would be difficult to determine accurately which seasonal coffees were in high demand in specific states and whether they should bring them back. There are few types of data analysis. The types of data analysis are following. The following are the four most common types of data analysis used in the workplace. First one, descriptive analysis. Second, diagnostic analysis. Third, predictive data analysis. Fourth, prescriptive analysis. We are going to see about it in detail. What is descriptive analysis? Descriptive analysis turns raw numbers into information that's easy to interpret and understand. It rearranges, orders, and manipulates data to generate simple summaries that show what happened within a study. This method of data analysis shows you the distribution of your data. It also helps you detect outliers, inconsistencies, and errors, allowing analysts to identify how these elements are related. Data derived from descriptive analysis can help business understand what processes are working well and what areas might require further analysis. Second, diagnostic analysis. While descriptive analysis tells you what happened, diagnostic analysis determines why it happened. If you need data to learn how to repeat a successful project or to reassess a process that needs some improvement, diagnostic analysis can provide you with this information. A diagnostic analysis helps you discover the reason a particular marketing campaign was successful, for example, or where it could have been revised. Third one, predictive data analysis. Predictive data analysis anticipates the future outcomes of a decision or process by using the information generated by descriptive and diagnostic analysis. Predictive analysis reviews past data to identify potential trends. For example, a department store can use predictive research to determine whether they should hire additional employees during the busy holiday season. Last, fourth one, prescriptive analysis. This prescriptive analysis combines data and helps organizations form a decision on how to improve their workplace processes because the information gained from this process is on a large scale. Prescriptive analysis requires organizational commitment. Artificial intelligence or AI can effectively make use of prescriptive analysis. AI consumes a large amount of data and continuously learns, using this information to make informed decisions that benefit the workplace. A well designed artificial intelligence system also communicates these decisions and puts them into action. Artificial intelligence can perform and optimize business processes daily without an input from other employees. How to use data analysis? Before performing any kind of data analysis, make sure there is a clear idea of the strategy and key objectives. If you are looking to boost your customer base, for example, be clear about how you want to achieve this. Ask yourself what you need to know to meet this goal and identify key questions about your company. Follow these steps to use data analytics to improve your decision making skills in the workplace. Determine the type of data analytics that will help answering your questions. Determine the cost and effort of producing the data. Collect the data and analyze the data. How to determine the type of data analytic that will answering your questions. Focus on identifying the type of data that will address your questions. If a simple overview is all you need, you may require only a descriptive analysis. You may already have access to this data from a previous project. If the numbers behind it are still fresh and relevant, you may want to consider using this information. And how to determine the cost and effect of producing the data. Data analysis will consume a varying amount of resources depending on the type of information you are trying to gather. Before investing in this type of project, consider contributing factors such as the monetary cost, the time commitment, and the long-term results of the data analysis. How to collect the data? Collecting data requires setting up the processes and the people who will gather and manage your information. To save time, you can choose to buy access to an analysis ready data set such as demographic information for a specific segment of consumers. How to analyze the data? This involves coming to a practical conclusion based on the data you have gathered. Once you have identified, collected, and analyzed the data, you can use your method like data visualizing to bring meaning to the information. Visualization tools can help understand the outcomes of different actions. Colorful charts and graphs can represent hundreds of data points that demonstrate a trend or a powerful narrative. A sales data run tied to a geographic region, for example, may help you decide to reallocate marketing funds. Now we are going to see about the benefits of analyzing data. Analyzing data can further your organization's mission, vision, and goals. This information can help you suggest continuous quality improvements, corporate or product expansion, and workplace innovations. It can also help develop and implement plans such as software upgrades to streamline services, improved inventory control for faster delivery, leadership training to empower employees, new strategic alliances or mergers to stay competitive in the market. Volunteer training to increase outreach efforts, expanded use of machine learning, increased understanding of variables that affect customer satisfaction. By running a data analysis, you can interpret data that applies to your project. The insight helps determine things like what new products customers might like, whether to expand into a new region or country, or where to reduce specific cost. Thank you. That's all about data analysis.